I've been trying to piece it together, what my life is. I've been trying to make it better, but it's hard to fix. War, pain and loss have become the norm, but you're there to guide me through the storm. Oh, you make me feel safe in a world on fire. You make me feel like I can walk on water. You make me believe I can only go higher. You make me feel safe in a world on fire. I used to spend my time throwing coins into fountains. I used to keep a score in my head, but I've stopped counting, 'cause all of the pain faded to a blur when I felt you hold me in October.